This is Rain inviting you to join Niki live streaming app. Niki live streaming app, a new frontier in social entertainment. Niki Live is a live streaming app that allows users to broadcast and watch live videos, interact with hosts, and engage in real-time conversations. Key features of Niki. Live 1. Interactive live streaming. Niki Live enables users to broadcast live videos to their followers, creating a direct and personal connection with their audience. Viewers can engage through comments, likes, and virtual GIFs, which enhances the interactive experience. 2. Virtual gifts and monetization. One of the standout features of Niki Live is its virtual gifting system. Viewers can purchase virtual gifts and send them to their favorite streamers as a token of appreciation. 3. Diverse content categories. The app hosts a wide range of content, from music performances and gaming sessions to talk shows and casual vlogs. 4. Social connectivity. Beyond just watching and broadcasting, Niki Live fosters a community where users can follow each other, send private messages, and join group chats. This social aspect of the app makes it a hub for building connections and friendships. 5. Safety and moderation. Niki Live places a strong emphasis on user safety and content moderation. The app employs a combination of AI technology and human moderators to ensure that the content remains appropriate and the community guidelines are upheld. Niki Live has two-type Party Live where you can choose 4 seats or 6-seat panel. Party Live, you can invite co-members to join in your panel. Solo Live you can do once you're on level 3. In Solo Live you can receive gifts from your viewers. You can also do gaming while you're in your Solo Live. In the gift, there are popular gifts that you can use for trading and gifting members and friends. Lucky Gift are used for gamble air. You can earn beans in return. In your dashboard you can see your level as well. Rich level will goes up when you recharge. Coin charm level will goes up when you do some activities like trading and gamble. Doing task daily will make you eligible host, and you are paid hourly based on your levels in Niki Live. You can invite new users like your friends to download the app, and once they do their task you can earn $14.5. Niki Live streaming app also helps members to elevate their potentials to show their talent like singing, dancing, and a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Download now and be part of NIKIAPP family.